Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given square root of 3 minus 4i. And remember that to solve this question we can use multiple formula or multiple methods to solve this one easily. But today's I'm going to show you how I'm going to solve this question. Solution. Then here I have to copy by saying equal to square root of 3 minus 4i, and this is equal to square root of, and you know that when we write 3 we can simply substitute this 3 as 4 minus 1 then minus 4i, right? Means that nothing changed right here, and this is equal to square root of, here we have 4 minus I minus 1 minus 4 I. This can be, let us write 2 squared, and then this negative 1 can be written as plus I then minus 4i. This is I squared. Then here would be square root of, right here, I squared plus 2i then minus 4i. If you are seeing nicely, let us say that the core for the formula, when we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. What is our a? Our a is I. What is our b? Our b is equal to 2. And of course we have right here, sorry, this is 2 squared. We have 2. If as soon as we have minus 2, a as I and b as b, that is why I have 4i. To mean that when we have right this one, this is equal to a minus b squared, and we're going to depress from here to get what this is equal to square root of, right, I minus 2 squared. And of course this is will be equal to, due to this one will be simplified to get I minus 2. And this is our solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe. You can go there in comment section and try to show us your own way.